First, this is KIMT Storm Team 3, weather coverage you can count on.
Storm Team 3 meteorologist Ryan Knapp went out to survey damage today. This is a look at a Grand Meadow church that had its roof blown off by the strong winds just last night. I'm joined now by KIMT Chief Meteorologist Aaron White. That title, oh my goodness.
Yeah,
but
it's a long one.
We've been talking a lot about this incredibly historic storm.
Yeah, it really was. I mean, we saw just widespread wind damage across Minnesota, Iowa, Wisconsin, back to parts of Kansas, Nebraska, even Colorado. And this is a photo. This is one I took earlier today. I did drive over to the Plainview, Minnesota area, saw some damage around downtown. This is a large shed that you can see did sustain extensive damage. This was about 3 miles north of Plainview. I talked to Julie Wingert there. This is her property. She allowed me to take a few photos and some video. Just a lot of destruction that did occur. And we saw a wind gust of 85 miles per hour in and around Plainview. In addition to a tornado warning at the time, there is not a confirmation that there was a tornado around Plainview, but that is something that the National Weather Service will be looking into over the course of the next couple of days. But there's a lot of stuff to look into. There's been widespread wind damage and several reports of tornadoes across the upper Midwest just with this rare and historic storm, especially for December. We don't see this in Minnesota and Iowa in December. I mean, we were just talking about a winter storm back on Friday, and now we have severe weather, tornado reports, wind damage. It's just not normal. So it's been a really unique situation here across the upper Midwest. And really what happened, just taking a look at this in a little bit more detail, you can see all of those warnings that were issued ahead of the line of thunderstorms, and we had these embedded circulations on the line where there were a few spin-ups. And talking about this one in particular, that tornado warning, that storm moving north into Freeborn County, and this is the one that affected the Heartland area. And it has actually now been confirmed as a tornado. They have not given it a rating just yet. The National Weather Service out of the Twin Cities, there's still a crew there conducting a survey to give it a formal rating and whether or not what the strength of that tornado was and how long the path was. So we're going to be keeping a close eye on waiting on that confirmation of the rating. But still another area of that thunderstorm activity that was moving to the north and east through Floyd County with another actually confirmed tornado now in Rudd, and that was actually rated an EF1 tornado in Rudd. The rating again for Heartland still pending, and another tornado confirmed in Lewiston, Minnesota. That one rated an EF0, so still very rare situation here across the upper Midwest, especially in Minnesota and Iowa. Meanwhile now, it's a lot quieter. That's good news. We are tracking quiet conditions through tonight into your Friday. Clear skies are expected. We'll see some clouds rolling in by tomorrow morning. Here we go by 7 o'clock, some overcast skies, maybe a few peaks of sunshine, but it is also going to be colder, and then maybe in a few snow flurries like we saw today coming in for Friday night and Saturday. 7-day forecast, where the weekend is always in view, showing highs in the mid to upper 20s for your Saturday and Sunday, looking at a quiet weekend outside of a few snow flurries, and then just staying rather cool as we head into next week, right in time for Christmas.